What's the meaning of appointee? Appointee. Appointee.
Appointee. Appointee. An appointee is a person who has been selected or nominated for a particular role or position, typically by someone in a position of authority. This could include positions in government, business, education, or other fields where there are formal processes for selecting individuals for leadership roles. The appointee may have to go through a confirmation process or meet certain qualifications before being officially appointed to the position. Once appointed, the individual is expected to fulfill the responsibilities of the role and work towards the goals of the organization or institution they represent.